Welcome to our farm. Let me take you around. This is avocado, as you can see right there. Then it's a beautiful garden grown here. Our garden. Next to it, we have banana. Beautiful banana from Siaya. We are in East Africa, Kenya. Then horticulture also been done here. Some beautiful flowers, different varieties, different species, as you can see. Then we go to sukuma wiki. Yeah, African soil. It goes sukuma wiki, more bananas on this side. Look at that, beautiful. We are in Siaya County in Kenya. Yeah, this maize we just harvested. Then there's a mango tree. Look at those beautiful mango up there. It's a mango leaves, a mango tree. If you've never seen one, this is how it is grown here in a beautiful farm. Then we have this. This is hibiscus. We use this to make juice. And this is a spice you can put in your food. Then we have onions there, as you can see, beautiful onions grown on the farm. Right next to it, we have some sugar cane. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Well planted. We have more flowers on the side. Flowers, more flowers, and more flowers, different varieties. Then this is me right here. Yeah, icon FC. That's it, guys. Bye.